Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be packing up for Atlanta. I leave for Atlanta at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's like a 5-hour drive from where I am. I'm going for like a mini birthday trip. I have something planned next weekend for my actual birthday as well, but I'm going to get a tattoo this weekend. Going out to eat, going to the movies, just some little birthday vibes, you know. So first things first, I have this little outfit. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I'm only staying for like a night and a day, so like yeah, I got these camo jeans that I'm gonna wear, this black crop top that I'm gonna match with this orange purse that I have that's I done overplayed so many times, because like, yeah, with these shoes, these donks, and then some undies and socks, perfumes and lotions, y'all know, and body wash, deodorant. I'm gonna take my lashes, and then we're gonna take the bonnets. Next, we're gonna take my hair bag. It literally has everything I need in here. All the essentials, like, don't even gotta open it up too much. And then the Godspeed can't fit in here, so yeah, that. Next, we're gonna be taking my planner and my little pouch of pens, MacBook to edit. I have snacks. You know, we can't forget the smoke. And then I have my little gross, okay, hair glue for my lashes, the tweezies, eyeliners, gloss or whatever, and lip balm. And then that's really mainly all I need for like right now. Like, I still have to pack my charger, stuff like that. I'm actually gonna go head out to do my eyebrows right now. Catch y'all when I get up in the morning and head out. See y'all then. Okay, good morning guys. We are on the road, just packed up the luggage. Gonna head to Atlanta. As y'all can see, the brows, get into them.
Oh my God. Can I sing to you? Yeah.
Y'all, look at this little ass car on the motherfucking interstate. What is you doing, boy? What is you doing back there? Okay guys, we are almost there at the gas station right now, putting in some gas. So we just got to the hotel, y'all. Holiday Inn.
The destination is on your right. Holiday Inn Atlanta Northlake, an IHG hotel.
Gonna check in. They got these dead palm looking trees out through here. About to take the luggage in. I just got to the room, y'all. Get into the view. So we're in the car, finna go get tatted up. We don't have no numbing cream, so we finna be sticking out some pain today. But yeah, see y'all there. We are pulling up at the tattoo shop.
Two hours later.
So, update. Tapped out of the tattoo. It was too painful without the numbing cream, y'all, so I can't even. It was too painful without the numbing cream. So we're gonna have to come back soon. We are at Queen King's Wings or something like that. That's where we at right now. Getting food. We rolling up in the car. Gonna smoke and wet on our food, so.
Tell me about how.
I got this shrimp fried rice with this duck sauce and this other sauce that I ain't even finna use. Then I got this fried cheese. Finna get ready to go to the movies. I think we're gonna watch Megan. See what that's about. And then we're probably gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do after that, but we gonna find something, I guess, or we gonna come back to the crib, snuggle up and get ready for tomorrow. We are headed downstairs. Just got in the elevator.
Fly away, fly away. You shoot me down, but
Downtown down here is really downtown, and like there's motherfuckers on every single corner that you go on. You can't miss nobody. Okay, so I think we're gonna end the night here. We just been riding around looking for stuff. Finna head back to the hotel, get ready to go to bed so we can get up in the morning, go out to eat this like brunch or whatever. Find something to do before we cut out and leave and head back to our city. So yeah, we're at the gas station right now though. At the store picking up some things. Y'all, 12 is hot. 12 be pulling over fucking everybody. Like, we passed like 15 cop cars on the way to this gas station. They hot. Atlanta hot. Good morning, guys. So we just got up. We're finna shower and then go find a place to eat brunch at and find something to do. And then we're gonna head back to our city and come along with us.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto State Route 13 North.
Y'all, we done came to the rich folk area. Trying to find somewhere to eat for breakfast. We do not belong over here. Oh my goodness. We don't know where we have come to.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Lenox Parkway, then turn right into the parking lot.
The Cheesecake Factory. So we are now headed back home. Thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, all that.